All right, in number 16, which of the following is the marginal social benefit necessarily greater than the marginal private benefit? This is, the best answer here is public goods. And public goods are essentially because, they're non-excludable, everyone has access, they're non-rival, my use does not diminish your use. Common defense, we mentioned earlier, fire departments, etc. And so the reason why you would say the marginal social benefit is better, because let's say that the fire department's existence gives me one util, great, or $1 of benefit, I don't care, and my neighbor Jonathan gets another dollar of benefit from it, then that's $2, and $2 more than $1. And so that's where they're going. They're saying the marginal social benefit, for everybody, is greater than marginal private benefit. So that's what they're going with and how they're measuring this with public goods.